So it's time to check in on the weather, and I am excited to say that today it is cloudy and kind of cool. Here in Southern California, it's sunny all the time, at least most of the time. Today it is cloudy.
Okay, I just went outside and saw that it was overcast and it was cloudy. And I've been wearing a jacket all day, so it's kind of cool. So today, on Monday, December 7th, it is cloudy and cool. Hello, kindergarten students, it's Mrs. Belatesh, and we are going to focus on just one part of the tree right now. We are going to focus on the leaves. And can you get your science notebook? And I want you to turn to the page, What Can We Observe About Leaves? So I went outside and I got a bunch of different leaves for us to observe. And this is a nice leaf. It's nice and green. It has kind of a jagged edge. It's not smooth edge. Okay. Oh, this is a pine. These are some pine needles. They're really long and kind of pointy at the end. Oh, look at this leaf. This one is a very different shape, isn't it? Very interesting. Oh, here's another one that's a very different shape. Okay, and oh, look at these. These leaves are interesting because they all grow together in one little bunch. Now, one thing that's really fun to do with leaves is to do something called a rubbing. Because sometimes we look at a leaf like this and we think, oh, there's the shape of the leaf. But sometimes when we do a rubbing, new details are revealed. So this is how you do a rubbing. You take a leaf, and I'm going to ask you to put it underneath this page. So the very next page, I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to put my leaf underneath. Can you see that it's there, right there? There's my leaf. You can see it a little bit. And now I'm going to take a crayon, and I like to call it mustache coloring because I took the paper off the entire crayon, and now I'm going to have the crayon on its side. And I'm going to rub on the leaf. So I'm going to start, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to rub right over where the leaf is. And new details are being revealed about the leaf. Look at that. Do you see some interesting things in the rubbing that maybe you didn't notice when we looked at the leaf directly? Do you see the veins in the leaf? Now, when we look at the leaf, now I look at the veins, I say, oh, I can see the veins. But when I look at them in the rubbing, they're really obvious. So that's very interesting. Now it's fun to take a different shaped leaf and do a rubbing right next to the other one so you can compare the two leaves. So I'm going to put another leaf underneath my paper. I'm going to get my crayon and do a little mustache coloring. And I'm going to rub, and see what is revealed. And here is another leaf right beside it. So what are these things in the leaves that are so obvious in the rubbing? Well, those are the veins of the leaf. And boys and girls, we have veins inside our body, and our veins carry blood to all the parts of our body. And the veins of the leaf carry water and nutrients, food, for the tree. So the veins of a leaf are kind of like our own veins in our body. So now I want you to write something near your rubbing. And I wrote, leaves have veins. But you can write something else. You don't have to write about veins. You could talk about the color of the leaf or the shape of the leaf. Leaves have veins. Or you could write, leaves are green. And if you have something else you want to tell me about leaves, you can. Another thing I want us to look at in terms of the leaves is what are the shapes of leaves? We looked at the detail of the leaf, but what is the shape of the outside of the leaf? So I want us to take a look and see if we can compare some leaf shapes to these shapes that I have on the board. I have a triangle, a heart, an oval, a line, a paddle, and a spear. So, I think I'm going to start with an easy one. These are the pine needles. What shape is the pine needle? Is it a triangle? No. Is it a heart? No. I think it's a line. All right, I have another one. Let's see, this is a good one. Here's a leaf. Is it a line? Nope, I don't think so. Is it an oval? It kind of looks like an oval, except there's something going on at the two ends. I think it is a spear-shaped. It's a spear-shaped leaf. Okay, let's take a look at this one. What's the shape of this leaf? Well, let's take a look. Could it be a triangle? It could be a triangle, right? But it has a little indentation. I think it is more of a heart shape. Yep, I think it's a heart shape. Okay. Oh, here's another one. What do you think this is? I really think that one is a heart shape. Good job. So I want you to choose one leaf that you picked from outside and take a look at that shape. I'm going to choose this leaf and I'm going to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do another rubbing of it so I can have exactly that leaf. I'm going to put it under the paper. I'm going to get my crayon and I'm going to do a mustache coloring. And I'm going to take my leaf out again. And mine, I think, is a spear shape. You can write, my leaf is a, and then depending on the shape of the leaf that you picked, you can write heart shape or line shape or triangle shape or oval shape or spear shape, and last, paddle shape. All right, Cougars, we're going to learn more about leaves next time.